So, hello guys! Welcome again to my channel. This is Yani Ho. So, may gusto po akong ipakita sa inyo. May nabili po ako na hair dryer. Matagal ko na siyang nabili guys. Tapos, hindi ko talaga siya na-open. Hanggang ngayon, yung kapatid ko sabi niya, i-open mo na kasi gamitin natin. Hindi pa talaga. So, ngayon, sabayan niyo ako na i-open yon para makita natin. Kasi iba yun, kakaiba yun na iba yun na style na hair dryer. Hindi ko pa ang sabi daw kasi yung hair dryer, 'di ba, yung iba maliit, ginaganon-galong na lang sa hair, 'di ba, ganon. Pero ngayon parang kamay na siya. Kamay talaga siya, ganon mo sa hair mo. So bago ko ipakita sa inyo is maglinis muna ako. Hindi ko pa natapos. Ayan, tapos na ako nagugas. Tapos na ako nagugas. Pero yung doon, check ko muna. Muna tayo kasi ang dumi-dumi na ng namin dito. Tapos, ayan. Ito din. Ayan, kanina. So, check, muna tayo. Magligpit-ligpit muna tayo, guys. Samahan nyo ako magligpit-ligpit dito sa kusina namin habang natutulog yung anak ko, tsaka yung anak kong isa, yung panganay is nandyan yung teacher niya for their tutorial. So ayan po. So let's have a cleaning for this morning.
Do you want to know? Been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. So much love to give. Something's telling me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry about tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song. You know my heart, 'cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like love is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so right. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way too deep, I won't wait there inside. Baby, baby, now I know.
Yan guys, natapos ko na po siyang linisan. Ito, kanina sobrang yellow po siya dito kasi nga sa oil, 'di ba? And then okay na siya kaysa kanina, 'di ba? Hindi ko alam kung paano siya, ganyan talaga yung kulay niya. Pero kanina yellow talaga siya. Ayan, malinis na siya. So, natin, no? Pag tulog yung anak ko, saka ko lang siya nagagawa. So, ngayon is nagising siya kaya medyo natagalan ako, napagod ako. Tapos, sumakit yung balikat, yung kamay ko sa kakakuskus dito. Yung iba nga hindi pa masyadong natanggal. May konti pang natira na yellow niya. Pero, okay na rin yan kaysa hayaan ko na mag-yellow talaga siya. Diba, kailangan din nating linisin kasi pagkain to. Tapos, pag tutulo yung mahulog yung yellow, mga oil na dumikit dito. Kaya kailangan linisin kasi pagkain to dito, nagluluto tayo. Kaya guys, muna ako. Pakainin ko muna yung mga anak ko kasi, late na. Dumating kasi yung teacher ng anak ko. Kaya, medyo na-late kami kumain. Kaya pakainin ko muna siya. Kakain muna kami. Para after that is, papakita ko na sa inyo kung yung nabili ko na hair blower. So, see you later guys.
A few moments later.
Pakainin yung mga anak ko. So, nandito na po tayo at mag-unbox po tayo ngayon ng ano ba itong bukoy? Tada! Ito po yung bago kong hair dryer. So, tingnan niyo po, diba? Kakaiba siya. Kakaiba siya, diba? Sa common na dryer. So, let's go in. Let's check together, okay?
So, yun na po guys, no? Ayan po siya. All-heat handy styler. All-heat handy styler. So, hair protection goes by heat. Ayan. And dry hair quickly, directing various style. Ito po yung niya. Ito po yung mga various style. Tapos, professional volume effect. Ito siya. Then, may stand mode din siya guys. So, ito pala, stand pala, ito siya. Ito siya, so ilalagay mo lang ganyan. So, hindi na siya mahulog. Yan, hindi na matanggal. So, fixable stand siya. Quick fix. Ilagay mo siya. Ganyan. O, diba? Diba? Nice siya.
Yan siya stand. So, ganito gamitin mo. Shhh. Shhh. Ganyan. Tanggalin natin. Ito lang. Alaka. Alaka. Alaka, hindi na matanggal. Oh my gosh. Ganito pala. Meron pala dito. Ayan. So, yan. Then, meron siya dito pang lock. Pag i-open, palitan mo siya ng ibang nozzle. Ganyan. Po yun guys, ha? So, ay, sandali. Ayan. O, diba? Ano na siya? Ayan. Tatanggalin natin. At saka ito. So, pag winter, hindi mo na kailangan mag-ganon kasi masakit ba? Yan. O, diba? Ganito pala ito na draw blower na dryer, hair drying. Oh, see? Pwedeng-pwede na siya. So, ganito siya, guys. Ayan. So that's all for today, guys, and thank you for watching on my life here in Korea and sa pag-unbox natin sa new na hair blower, and hopefully in my next upload you will still be with me, and don't forget to press the red button and click the notification bell. So see you next time, and thank you for watching.